Okay, so there's a beautiful beachfront outside the Prama. Okay, let's bring you across the Puri Santrian now. See if we can get an overhead of the swimming pool area. Happy hours from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Buy 2 get 3. These beautiful seating areas here. This is new.
From Sanur Bali.
Beautiful inside seating area there. Also have a beautiful inside area as well. Lounges around the side. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 10 a.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the Mercure Resort through to the Puri Santrian Resort. So in today's video, I'm here at the Sanur Beach location here in Sanur. I'm going to feature 3 resort facilities in the video. The Mercure is going to be where I'm starting. I'll then call in at the Prama and finish the video at the Puri Santrian. I'm also going to take the drone up in the sky and give you a bird's eye view of the beachfront locations at each and every one of the resorts featured in the video. As I'm also walking along the track, I'm going to feature any restaurants that are along this section of beach. I'm also going to show you the massage on the beach. There is a spa in this location. There's also some traditional old ladies on the beach offering massage also. Water sports activities. I shall just take in everything as I'm walking along the track and give you all the information that you need for the perfect holiday stay here in the Sanur Beach location of Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so this is a start point for today's video, and what better way to start the video than I Love Sanur, Mercure Bali Sanur Resort. So we're going to head just in this direction first of all. We'll take you inside the Mercure first of all, just show you the swimming pool area. So you have some sun lounges at the back here. Beautiful swimming pool area here with the cascading water features. The entrance to the Mercure in the back. Some lounges at the back here, have a bar as well there. And then just coming out of the Mercure now we have Breeze Bar here. This must be connected with the Mercure. Some kind of setup there, whether it's preparing for a wedding or something. Some seating and some beanbag seating as well out in this area. Very nice area. And just at the back here, this is the Mercure bar area here. Some people walking along the path here. Now we'll just take you and show you some of the details here. The Mercure, happy hours from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Buy 2 get 3. Buy 2 get 3 on the wine. And a seafood barbecue as well. Sunset barbecue. Balinese seafood barbecue, fire dance. Some things available there also at the Mercure. And they have the bar area here at the back also, which connects with the swimming pool. And we have this beautiful seating area here at the on the grass as well. So just from the Mercure, we'll just walk up here now to the Genius Cafe. So we have the Breeze Bar, some of the beach snacks here. So you can have a look what they look like. Coconut bowls, it's very nice. Some pancakes also. Waffles, salads, very nice. We'll just keep walking up here now to the Genius Cafe. We also have these nice little tent relaxing areas where you can sit and have your food also. Beanbag seating. So just from a tent style seating now, we have the Genius Cafe here, Genius Cafe Sanur. Order 2 burgers or pizzas, get a complimentary glass of wine, it says there. And here's the Genius Cafe, they have an inside seating area here, some tables and chairs in there. And they also have an outside seating area here. Relaxing seating here, the bean bags again with the tables and chairs. Okay, so there's a view of the beachfront outside the Mercure Resort here in Sanur. Just drag you across gradually. Some people in the ocean. There's all the lounges, sun lounging area. There's the Mercure Resort in the back there. There's a swimming pool down below. There's the Mercure Resort. There's a view at the beach looking back from the Mercure. Okay, just from the Mercure now we're going to continue on. We'll just show you some of the Mercure accommodations just in the back here. Nice. Just walk in this direction. Oh, the thing what we saw out the front before, that's for a romantic dinner. 1.2 million for the romantic dinner. Also have a spa as well for your nails and things there at the Mercure. Some more rooms in the back there for the Mercure again. Area Bermain here. This is like a kids play area. Also got some bicycle rental here as well, right next door to the Mercure. There's the contact details. Some nice bikes here.
Yeah, bicycle.
Bicycle rental, yeah. So we have a kids play area here. This is open to the public, I think. I don't think it's just for guests staying at the Mercure. A collection of slides and things there. Here's your Mercure seating area close up. Synthetic sun lounges. Some have got soft cushion tops on. I'll just give you a close up on this. It's a kids play area. Have some stuff as well for exercise for older kids or adults here as well. A disabled wheelchair access there. Some more bicycle rental here again. Black, grey, green, all the different colours available. Scan me on WhatsApp. So contact details as well for WhatsApp. Have some massage ladies here to the right hand side. Just all relaxing, resting. Have a toilet and board house here, 3,000 for a wee there. Oh, this is new. Warung Pitta Pitta. So this is a Warung selling all of your soft drinks and things. Coca-Cola, Aqua, lemon water, Sprite there. Also have some other things available. This is new, I haven't seen this before. Some fruit drinks as well. Some snacks, spring rolls, fries, and things there. Another local seller here. All of your local traditional Indonesian goods here, snacks and things, drinks again. Long chair for rent here as well in the Mercure area. We have a tourist information for all of your tours and things. Also have some water sports activities available here as well. Jet ski, water ski, donut boat, sailing, banana boat. All there from this guy. Next we have a place called Retro Beach Restaurant. There's an inside seating area and an outside seating area. As you're inside, just show you some of the menu for the burgers. Texas burger. Also on the beers here, small beer, Bintang 25k. Very cheap price that for the beachfront. I'm just cleaning up now, and then they have a collection of tables and chairs in here. So just continue on. So there's the name, Retro Beach and Restaurant. Small bicycle rental here. Next we have the beach cafe coming up here on the left hand side. It's a beach cafe and a spa this. The beach botanicals, natural skincare workshop courses, anyone's interested in that. And then here we have the beachfront spa and wellness cafe. So just from a beach cafe there, we have a entrance to the beach spa as well. So you have the beach cafe on the left here, the spa's in the back there. We'll just take you around here and show you this. This is like a pool area connected with the beach spa. It's a little pool area. Nice seating as well here. And then just in the back here we have cold plunge ice bath, and we have a hot spa. Okay, so just carrying on from our beach cafe and spa there. Next we've got a water sports activity type centre here. Have an event schedule there for the Prama Sanur Beach, February 2025. All different things available there. Some tourists on the bicycles going past there. Have a rip curl centre here. There's all of these things available here. It's your beachfront. On the left here now we have a kids sort of like play area and cart rental type place. All of these little carts here, so you have single carts, some bigger ones there. Have a 2-person one here at the back. So here's the price for the hire, so it's for 30 minutes that. In the back there we have a trampoline. Here's a close-up on the 4-person cart. Next we have Basilico Italian Pavilion and Bar. Just here, some tourists again on the bicycles. Have an outside seating area. I think this is only just actually opened here. Basilico Pavilion and Bar. Nice beautiful inside seating area also. Okay, so the Basilico is connected I think with the Prama Resort. Nice seating area out the front here. Beautiful beach location. Nice white sand beach. We have Tonku Pizza here. And then just here we have the Bamboo Beach Bar and Lounge. It's not busy at this time because we're still morning. It'll be probably busier later. Some happy hours there. Beautiful seating areas. And a beautiful inside area as well. Some nice little seating over to the side here. Okay, so the beautiful Bamboo Beach Bar and Lounge, there's the name there. Also has a seating area outside here. Just take you on the beach location. Have some nice seating here as well. And then we have a Memories Are Made With Us swing here. It's a live stage performance, usually entertainment of an evening. Okay, so just from the Bamboo Beach Bar and Lounge here. This is the restaurant dining area here at the Prama. Just take you in through here and just show you the kids swimming pool area. There's the restaurant area there. And they have two pools here at the Prama. This is the kids pool area, some sun lounges around there, the water slides and things in the back there. So just from the Prama kids pool here, we have a collection of all the sun lounges here at the Prama as well. Synthetic sun lounges under the shade here. Have a gelato ice cream area just in the back there, 11 till 6 p.m. Beautiful gardens here. Quite a few people here at the Prama. Nice. And we'll just take you in through here now and just show you the swimming pool area here at the Prama. There's all the rooms in the back there overlooking this swimming pool. I'm not sure what room types they are. I've featured this place in a video. One of the biggest resorts here in Sanur. Let's have a look at your pool here at the Prama. The handrail here. Okay, so there's a beautiful beachfront outside the Prama. You can see the Prama there in the backdrop, the swimming pool, some fishing boats in the ocean, all the sun lounges here under the shade. It's the beautiful Prama. Some beautiful big swimming pool area. See if we can get over and capture the kids pool from up above as well. There's a kids pool over to the side there. And the water slides. Beautiful. Okay, so just moving on from the Prama now. So just here we have another water sports activity place. Jet ski, paddle canoe, banana boat, sailing, all the same as the other one. And there's your jet skis there. It's the office just to the left here. Just next we have Bobby's Restaurant and Bar coming up now. All the menus here with all of the, or some of the foods options available here at Bobby's. There's a seating area inside under the roof there. And some of your Indonesian dishes. Banana fritter 35k. Here's your beers. Bintang 28k there. That's the name, Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. And here's your seating area at Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. Okay, so just continuing on from Bobby's Bar and Restaurant, this corrugated steel here, I think this is where the new Lilla Pantai is going to be located. And then we have Costa by Monster here, Mediterranean cuisine, and an outside seating area on the beach there. It's very high tide, some tourists there. There's a name, Costa by Monster. Also have a beautiful inside too. Hello, how are you guys?
Good morning from
Good morning.
from Sanur Bali.
Beautiful inside seating area there. Also have some table and chairs as well overlooking the walkway. So just from Costa by Monster there, we'll just continue. Some massage ladies again along the beach here. If you want to have the massage on the beach, a local convenience store here. And all your snacks and things. Some more massage ladies here and some shop holders also. Buckets, spades, footballs and things like that. Ladies' clothing, many available here. Hello, how are you ladies?
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Good morning,
Thank you,
good, thank you. Lots of clothes and things available here. All local ladies, yes. And then now we're going to head towards the Puri Santrian, little beach location here. We're on a nice little quiet section of sand. It is high tide. Normally the ocean wouldn't quite be this close. Some palm trees. Some people coming through on the bikes now. Okay, so after just walking along the track there, we've arrived at the Puri Santrian now. And promenade leading out into the ocean. Puri Santrian 2025. Here's your beach location at Puri Santrian. Authentic Asia, Chinese, Japanese food there. We just go round here, there's one swimming pool here and then they have another swimming pool. Show you this swimming pool here. There's one section of the swimming pool. And another section here. All of the sun lounges around the side. Okay, so just from a venture to the first swimming pool, these beautiful seating areas here. This is new actually, these. Very nice though. Some seating areas here, this has been here a long time. Restaurant seating areas as well in the back and things there. This is another entrance to the swimming pool I've just taken you to. It's very, very beautiful. There's the main restaurant area here. And the seafood extravaganza. Beautiful seating area here as well, overlooking the ocean. And then they have a menu here at the front.
Puri Santrian menu.
Okay, so here's the menu here at the Puri Santrian. So this is Balinese Indonesian. This is bebek goreng, crispy duck, half. This is one of the favourites he said here as well. I am. Mee goreng here. Oh wow, that looks nice.
Bebek timbungan sate. This is nice. Favorite
So,
soup.
I've had this myself, yeah.
Soup buntut
Yeah.
with steamed rice on side.
Your traditional Indonesian dishes, nasi goreng, tahu telur. And here we have the satay ayam, which is a chicken satay. He says this is very popular.
Chicken babi.
Chicken babi. That's pork, yeah?
Pork, yeah, pork.
It's all there at the Puri Santrian. So just from a menu there at the Puri Santrian, we just continue walking along the way. One of the most beautiful areas this in Sanur for the walk, given all the nice, beautiful, decorative bushes and trees and things here. A beautiful seating area here also. There's a lounges here at the Puri Santrian. Nice people relaxing in those, sort of gazebo style, and then we have a beautiful swimming pool area here in the back. Some lounge at the back there, massage taking place. And here's a swimming pool. Here's a close-up on the in-ocean sun lounges here at the Puri Santrian. Have a Santrian 2025. That's what it looks like in the... Okay, so here's your beautiful beachfront outside the Puri Santrian. You can see the lounges, 2 lounges there on the in the ocean. Beautiful beach area. All there in front of the Puri Santrian. Okay, let's bring you across the Puri Santrian now, see if we can get an overhead of the swimming pool area. It's going to be just over here somewhere. There's a full view of the swimming pool here at the Puri Santrian. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach stroll here in Sanur from the Mercure Resort through to the Puri Santrian Resort. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, you've got 3 fabulous accommodation options there, great facilities available at all 3 places, has some beautiful bird's eye views of the beachfront locations at the resorts with the drone there in the video. Also got a nice collection of beachfront restaurants here in this area, massage on the beach, kids activities on the beach, water sports, you name it, you'll find it all here at the Semawang Beach location here in Sanur. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.